In today's video, I'm going to reveal the one platform that I use to generate passive income every month with affiliate marketing and how you can optimize it for maximum results. So, if you're interested in learning how to make money online with affiliate marketing using this one platform, make sure you watch this video till the end and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. For the first, I want to find my product first. I use ClickBank to find the product. But there's a lot of affiliate networks out there, but I use ClickBank. And if you are already have a ClickBank, just log in first, or if you're not, go sign up right away. Okay, just insert your email and password as usual. Here, stay tuned in this video because I'm gonna show you how to create, how to hack my tricks with one platform. Okay, just stay tuned. Now, because my niche is beauty, so I have to find another product with beauty niche. Here make me interested about Essential Unique Fungus Dropper Over. I think there is a lot of women use a nail polish, so there is a problem about the fungus in their nails. So yeah, it's related with the woman problem, and I saw the landing page is really good, and it is a natural ingredients also, and there's a lot of certified of GMP and other research. So yeah, you can insert the tracking ID or not. It's okay. Just create hop link to get the link. Because this product needs an apply for approval, so I have to contact the seller. Now I skip the step of written this letter. You can copy paste this letter. This essential. This is a approval for as a request as a publisher. You send, and after that, I have to find another product to promote this today. And yeah, this define looks make me interested, and I have to check first in their sales landing page. It is for hair. It's for hair. So yeah, I think it is good because women is always have problem with hair loss. Uh, yeah, I think it's good. I want to promote this product. Define looks complex. Now I have to choose your nickname account and tracking ID, but I want to insert here for my tracking ID and create top link. It doesn't need approval, so I just copy and paste. I use stick notes to copy this link because I don't want to log in again to ClickBank. So yeah, I paste here and on my stick notes. And this website number 2 to optimize my affiliate link is linker.bio. I didn't have an account, and if you want to use this website too, you can click in my description down below. I put the link out there, and of course it is an affiliate link. But yeah, it is so simple. Super simple. And why I choose this, because I will need something like a website, and it is really, there is a lot of tools. Okay, I choose it is because of for here, so I need something image for my thumbnail. Okay, I think I have to find first the image of thumbnail for my thumbnail. Okay, I think this is good. And after that, I use this. I love this. You save image to computer and download. Go to download section and insert. Now, this what I'm talking about. This for thumbnail. You can edit. You can style this website with your style, of course. Yeah, it's really simple. You just put a name and copy paste your link affiliate from ClickBank. Just copy and paste here. Okay, and oops. Okay, done. Now I make some effect for my thumb. If they click this box, hair grow booster, they're gonna little bit shaking, like this. Oh, I like it. Okay, publish. You can create with your own style. Okay, it is for tutorial, so I make it simple. But there is a lot of tools you can use to make it your website more pretty. Okay, I think it's done. Now is I use ChatGPT to find the problem of a woman over 30 with her hair. I think the problem is the same every girl, every woman out there, especially hair loss. There's a scalp condition, freeze, and another. Yeah, why I have to find the problems of hair problems is because I want to find another content to make value for my audience. So when I give their value and I put my whole affiliate link on it in it, they're gonna trust with me because I solved their problem. And the third website is Quora.com. I'm gonna show you. Probably there's a lot of affiliate marketer guru out there say Quora is the best. Yeah, but they didn't talk about how to optimize Quora here. Here, if you click hair loss, one of the problem, and you can filter with the timing. With the timing, there is a lot of question here that you can answer all of those questions. First, you can answer all of those questions. Remember, you can answer all of these questions and give a value and put your link in every answer. Put your link in every answer. Like this, what hair loss are you feeling treatments actually work? You can search on Google, or you can ask ChatGPT if you're a little bit confused about their question. But at least you have to answer all of these questions. Is because more answer, more opportunity. You got you get a sales. Okay. When you have a sales, you also have an earning income. This is how can hair loss be prevented with now. Like this, Ayurvedic medicine. If you didn't know, you can search on Google. Now I use ChatGPT to make an equation and answer. Why? Because I want to make a question, and after that you make an answer of your question. Before you just answer, if you remember before you just answer their question and another question, but now you can make a question and you can answer your own question. So my strategy is I make two account for one for question, one again is for answer. Why I choose this trick is because I want my answer is in the number one of the answer list. If you notice, if you go to the Quora and you see there is a bunch answer, and the first one answer is always on the top of the list. So I make it two account, one for question and once again for answer my question. If it makes sense, and if you're a little bit confused, yeah, just type your question in the comment section down below. I'll try to help you. Here you can make with ChatGPT, you can generate a lot of question and a lot of answer over here. But back again, you have to be careful because if you make a question and for the answer you have to make a revision or make something more value. Yeah, not just like one simple line like this. You have to make value, okay, if you know what I mean. The third, now you can make a post. You can use ChatGPT to help you to make a post about hair loss. It means there is three way you can optimize your cans in order to get a sale in Quora, because there is a lot of things to do in one platform. That's why I really love Quora to promote my affiliate product. Okay. And after that, in Quora, to optimize, there's a lot of language here. Now I use Indonesian language, but if you want to make another language, I'm gonna show you how. I want to add an English language. Now click here and add language. And English, click. Just a simple like this. Add English. Now I have the language. I hope this tutorial is really helpful for you, but sorry for my inconvenience because my English is not really good and English is not my primary language. But I hope this video is gonna help you to share your affiliate link. And yeah, you just remember you can make a question, you can make an answer, and you can publish your post. And then after that, you can optimize your question and answer with another language. Okay, thank you for watching this video till the end, and see you on the next video.